just to understand what happens when you're violated for probation, you have a felony charge, you have time hanging over your head, and now you're being supervised by probation, and they are supervising you, and you have to comply with everything they tell you to do, or else they're going to send you back in front of the judge to try to put you in jail. And what has happened recently, what I've found in a very interesting case, is that the probation officers are way overworked. They have 900, 800 cases, unbelievable numbers of people that they are supervising, and they are not necessarily taking the best notes. They are overworked. They are not paying attention to people's cases. Sometimes the probation officer being overworked will leave the department because they are not being appreciated and they're working too hard. And so you end up with this client. I ended up with this client who really got an unfair violation sent to the court for absconding, meaning that he didn't appear with the probation officer and he was not able to be found. So we subpoenaed the probation officer to come to his violation instead of just rubber stamping. Yep, you did it. Well, let's beg the judge for less time, right? We actually put on a trial, and I cross-examined this probation officer who we actually had recordings of him saying that he was going to take notes and that he understood where he was and he understood why he wasn't coming to the office, and that they were going to continue to work with him and get him to a better jurisdiction that was more appropriate for his case. And he got on the stand and he said, nope, didn't do it. Handed him the recording, made him listen to it. He's like, well, I have 900 cases. What can you expect from me? And my client served a little bit of jail time for part of the violation, but saved him about 1.5 years on the absconding. I think that when it comes to probation violations, attorneys make a mistake of just believing the probation officer because they don't want to look at what their client actually tells them. What they do is they just look at the report and go, you're in trouble. Let's beg to the judge for the least amount of time. But sometimes clients really have a story to tell, and I am here to listen and try to uncover the truth when I can. So there are things that can be done for a probation violation besides just begging a judge.